Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried cutting vinyl or cardstock with your Silhouette Cameo and the cuts come out too light, too deep, or totally uneven, I know how frustrating it can be. That's exactly why a proper test cut is so helpful. It saves time, saves material, and makes sure your final project comes out clean and perfect. But if you're not sure which settings to use or how to test them, don't worry. In this video, I'll cover a step-by-step process so you'll always know the perfect cut settings for your Cameo. So let's begin. Alright, let's get started. Open Silhouette Studio, click on text from the left panel and type any letter you want. Now select the letter, move it to the top left of your media and resize it however you like. Next, head over to Shapes and choose Rectangle. Click and drag to draw a rectangle right over the letter. Now, select both the letter and rectangle. Right-click and choose Group so they stay together. Zoom in to double-check everything looks good. Then, switch over to the Send panel. Choose your material, change the action to cut, and make sure the correct tool is selected. If you want a perfect test cut, you can adjust the blade depth, speed, force, passes, and the overcut settings. For blade depth, the scale goes from 0 to 10. The higher the number, the more the blade sticks out. For thin material like paper or vinyl, you'll want to lower blade depth. For thicker stuff like leather, crank the blade depth up a little higher. Speed controls how fast the machine cuts. Vinyl can be cut faster. But for paper or leather, keep it slower so you can get cleaner cuts. Cutting something thick, increase the force. Cutting delicate material, lower the force so it doesn't tear. Passes just tell the machine how many times it should cut the same line. Overcuts help the corners cut cleaner, without leaving tiny uncut spots. To change overcut, click the overcut icon and you'll see all the settings you can adjust. You can increase or decrease the overcut distance using the start extension and end extension sliders. If you're doing multiple passes, you can also activate track enhancing. Once everything looks good, hit Save to lock in your cut settings. If you didn't set up your page setup panel yet, go back to the Design tab and do it now. After that, go back to the Send panel, make any final changes, and make sure your machine is selected. Now, place your material on the cutting mat, load it into the machine, and start cutting. When it's done, unload the mat and check the cut quality. If the backing sheet is cut too, that means the pressure was set too high. Not happy with the cut? No problem. Load the mat back in. Go back into Silhouette Studio and adjust your settings. Move the design to a fresh spot on the media and run another test cut. When it finishes, unload and check again. Just repeat this testing process until you're happy with how clean the cut looks. When you finally got your perfect settings, go back to Silhouette Studio, open the material drop-down and click Add New Material Type. Give your new material a name, double-check your settings and click Save, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy-to-follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.